Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is December 27th, 2025, and this is my weekly market review, where I'm reviewing the Dow 30, that's DIA, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's minimize this. Let's maximize this quarterly chart and resize this and see if everything looks okay. I'll move this over just a tad right there, and that should be good. On the Dow is still almost at a yearly R2. The Dow is definitely the strong boy out here, right here at the end of the year, and looking good. Let's go ahead and go down to the monthly chart, see what we see here. On the monthly chart, we see green. We almost again at a quarterly R2, and with a nice big green candle looking strong, and look like we're going to be going into the next year really strong. We are above the 9-10 moving average. That's this blue line right here. So again, technically we are still in a bull market like we've been most of this year. And let's go ahead and go down to our weekly chart, see what we see there. On this weekly chart, we didn't make an all-time high this week, but I think we can come next week. We've only got a couple of more days next week. We're going to see how next week goes and see if it can break this high over here. When I say this high over here, I mean I'm looking at this high right there, and see if we actually can break that. But we do have a bullish Harami at this time. These two candles right here, this red candle, green candle set up. And I know it's at the top, not at the best location, but again, where this market has been going and where this index has been going, I am expecting a follow through. We just got to wait and see what actually happens there. All right, let's go ahead and go down to this daily chart and wrap this on up. On this daily chart, as we can see, the Christmas rally has started, and look like it did start on time too. Guys, make a note of this. What we said Right Side Trading, we believe the Christmas rally usually, I'm giving you something here free. I don't think he'll get too upset at me about this, but we're giving you something here free. The rally usually starts on this day right here on the 18th, and it did, give us a bullish Harami, those 2 days, and then on Monday we did get confirmation of it, and since then we've been getting higher lows and higher highs. When I say higher lows and higher highs, it looks like that's about the same high, but higher highs, and that's what you kind of expect. Some people play this whole Christmas rally thing all kind of different. Sometimes they may be out of this trade now, they may be out of this trade after the first of the year. Again, based on your trading plan and your trading strategies, how are you going to play it? I hope you play it well. I hope you'll be profitable on this particular trade. No trade recommendation. Again, all based on your trading plan and your trading strategy. I just gave you a hint about how we go about looking at when is the time to get into this trade, and it seemed like it did play off on time this year. And that's it. That's all I really want to share at this time. Hope you guys had a Merry Christmas. Hope you guys have a happy and prosperous New Year coming up. This is Right Side Trader. Happy New Year. Have a good one. Talk to you later. Bye. Talk to you next year.